So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another really easy recipe. So I want to say what's been happening to me. So I had COVID, unfortunately, and I've been really having a hard time walking up the steps. So I'm like, oh, was it COVID or is it because I gained some weight? So I decided to lose weight. So I lost 10 pounds, and what a huge difference it makes on our hearts. You know, when you're over 50, you have to keep in shape. So I've been trying to eat clean, but I still eat junk food, but I like to eat like really good snacks. So I got an air fryer. I'm so obsessed. I love it so much. I got it for $49. So you gotta look for sales. But this is so yummy. This is broccoli. And I know you say broccoli, blah, but it's kind of like broccoli chips. It's really like airy and puffy. So when you eat it, it's like a chip. It's kind of crazy, but I'm gonna tell you how to make it. I love this, 0 calories. It's from Target, it's Target brand, extra virgin olive oil. Don't know how they make it 0 calories, but it is. So I just coat, I kind of overdo. You could put salt and pepper, just to your liking. I only put a little salt. I don't really use salt a lot because it's not really good for you. And a little bit of garlic. Again, Target. Mix it all together. Oh, I think I need a little bit more olive oil. See how easy that is? Literally. And you can put onions in it too if you want. Sometimes I'll eat an entire onion in the air fryer for a snack. It's kind of like onion rings without like the batter and all the stuff. I know it's kind of weird, but. So I'm gonna now put all this in the air fryer. This is so simple, like you really don't even realize. Stick it in. That's it. Mix it up again. Make sure that it's on one layer because that's really important so it does cook the whole way through. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna do 400, I really don't know temperatures. I'm really bad at that, but I'm gonna do 400. And I'm gonna do it for 15 minutes. And in the middle, I'm gonna shake it up just to make sure that it's getting incorporated. I don't really think you need to do that. I'm not really sure, but I do watch a lot of recipes on YouTube. Some of them are way too complicated for me. I like the easy ones. So we're gonna wait 15 minutes and we're gonna have yummy broccoli. I know that sounds weird, yummy broccoli in the same sentence, but I promise you, it's so, so yummy. It's yummy. We were just on vacation. So I got an air fryer for Dakota, Kenzie's boyfriend, and one for Mackenzie. And then Maddie just got an air fryer. So we're all actually cooking in the air fryer. And Maddie FaceTimed me and she made chicken and onions. So we all have air fryers now and we compare stories. We FaceTime each other all day long. We literally live within walking distance of each other, which is nice. So when I go to the grocery store, I always say, what do you guys need? And then I do my little drop-offs. Okay, I'm gonna just zhuzh them a little bit. Oh, actually, I kind of think they're actually finished. Look at this. I mean, I put 15 minutes on and there's 6 minutes left, so that's 9 minutes. Wow, I'm smart. I come from New Holland, PA. You know, we are smart there. I need 2 plates. Target had these on sale for 50 cents. Okay, look at this. Another yummy. You can have it as a snack or part of your meal. Okay, you ready to hear this crunch? You won't even believe it. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I can say yummy broccoli. I promise you, this broccoli is yummy. So let me know if you made this in the comments below. Tell me if you liked it and tell me what you do extra. Like you can actually put cheese on it or whatever, but that's gonna, of course, add calories. This is all you really need. So thanks again for watching and make sure you tune in next time. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I might do some type of meat. Oh, maybe tofu. I make a really, really yummy tofu. I'm actually kind of sounding like I'm turning into a cook, which I really suck, but I'm getting better. So thanks for watching, and I love you guys. Mwah.